What's up YouTube? Geek Out Industries here, and today I'm going to be doing another Yu-Gi-Oh box opening of World Superstars. These are pretty cool. There's 5 cards per pack. Each pack has 4 super rares and 1 prismatic rare. Yeah, there's some good cards in here, especially if you run a Cyberman deck. Galaxy soldiers are really important for that, I've been told. But yeah, so wish me luck. Okay, so here we go. With any luck, I'll get at least 1 Galaxy Soldier. I've opened one of these before, but I forgot to press record because I am a fucking idiot. And that's how it goes, isn't it? And there goes the phone. On time. I just can't make this shit up. Right, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so here I go. Oops, not the camera. Right, I'll make this one quick because I've done this one once before today. I'll show you what I got in the other pools, the decent ones anyway. Elemental Hero Blazeman, that's alright. Kabuki Dragon, What Psychic Fighter, Augmented Heraldry, and Heroic Challenger. Tycoon Transmigrator, Gargoyle Mesa, number 79, Jolt Counter, and Boxer. Got the light set up just right for the shininess this time. So pretty. Gargoyle Sister, Photon Stream Destruction, Humpty Grumpty, Mecha Phantom, Gargaga Samurai. Galaxy Soldier. Nice one. Just leave him up straight away because he is worth his weight in gold. He's not, but yeah, happy with that so far. Flowerbot, Gargaga Mesa, XY Ray Pierce, and Kabuki Dragon. Number 86, number 18, Humpty Grumpty, Spiritual Whisperer, and Mecha Phantom. Like I said, I'm going to hammer through these. Most of you have probably seen quite a few of these ones before. Pendulum, just Pendulum, whatever. Heroic Challenger, Humming the Kijin, PM Captor at number 55. I'm just going to pull this up a bit because it's focusing out. Okay, oh, another Galaxy Soldier. This is a much better. I'll show you what I got from the last one. But already a much better pool of cards. Galaxy Eyes, Heroic Challenger, Star Safer, Scale, Ghost, Trick Angel. Marshalling Field, Switch Whisperer, Do Draw, Galaxy Eyes, Blazing Shadow, Battling Box of Shadow. Earth Shattering Event, Humming, 55, Guard Go, Photon Stream. High Five the Sky, Ghost Trick Break, Do Draw, Herald Beast, and number 18, Heraldic Beast or whatever. Halfway through now. Oh no, not yet. Number 86, number 36, Dragon Roar, Gorilla Kite, Gargoyle Mesa, Mansa. Star Cypher Spectre, Photon Stream Humming number 79. They look cool. I like them. Battling Boxer Shadow. Halfway through now. Sorry, like I said, I'm rattling through this because I've done this already today. Gaga Sister. Plankton. Heroic Challenger number 36. Heavy Knight of the Flame. Onomatopoeia. Dragon Roar. Ghost Trick Break. Flowerbot. To.the Draw. Marshalling Field. What Psychic. Star. Seraph Scale, Battling Boxer, number 55. Come on, one more Galaxy Soldier. Earth Shattering Event. Dragon Roar. Mecha Phantom, Beast. Oh, can't say that word. Gaga Samurai. Gusto. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. Seraph Spectre, Plankton, Jolt Counter, Augmented Heraldry, PM Captor. Come on. Come on. Go. Tachyon Transmitigation, number 36, Matrio, whatever. XYZ Rapiers, Guard Go. Galaxy Soldier, one more Galaxy Soldier. Elemental Hero Blazema, Heroic Beast, whatever, Ghost Trick Angel, number 55, Heavy Knight. Not many left now. High Five the Sky, number 18, Galaxy Eyes, Boxer, and Gorilla Kite. Naval Hunter, Heavy Knight, Ghost Trick, Humpty Grumpty, XYZ Rapiers. This is 3 more. This is third one left. Martial Field, Augmented Heraldry, number 79, Heavy Knight, and Mecha Phantom. Pendulum, Gorilla Kite, Star Seraph Scale, Jolt Counter, Flowerbot. Please have one, just one. Well, obviously he's going to have just one, but balls. Anyway, number 79, Heroic Challenger, and Heroic Challenger 1000 Blades. So those are by far the best out of the lot. I didn't get a legendary Magician of Dark, which is again surprising. But I got these two, so happy with that. Nothing groundbreaking there. Yeah, I mean that's a pretty collectible card. 2 of those, but there. Happy with that. And the last one, I actually did get a legendary Dark Magician. I got 2 number FOs. I thought they were quite good. Got 2 of those. Two Star Seraph Sovereignties. Alright. Just because they're fairly valuable for what they are. Tachyon Transmission, 1 Galaxy Soldier, 3 Gargars, and a Chrome Anomaly Nebra Disc. 2 of those. So Yeah, not too bad really. Could have been better. Let me know what you think about this box itself. What cards you think are worth their while and which cards aren't. If you hate my videos, please feel free to slag me off. Oh, I'm up for an argument anyway. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and remember, don't freak out, geek out.